What is up? My name is Taylor and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for my first video, I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do or really anything. I'm still trying to figure out like my niche or whatever, I guess. And so I decided one of my favorite videos to watch is like what I do, what is it called? A day in the life, a productive day. So I decided I'd do one of those because I'm gonna have a productive day. It's a rest day. I don't work out on Thursdays, and so I feel like my day is more like open because I usually revolve my day around my workouts. So I'm gonna have a really productive day today. I have a lot of stuff I want to get done, and also this would be a chance to kind of introduce myself throughout the day, kind of talk about myself. So this is exciting. I was really excited to make a YouTube channel. I've had YouTube channels in the past, but I've always been kind of like scared that people are gonna find out. But now I'm in college, I decided, I just gotta, not care. I can't care what people think, and so I'm excited. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do today, I'm really excited about it. I decided since it's my first video, I wanted to document me actually creating my channel. Even though, like I've made videos before, I'm feeling slightly awkward right now. But I think I will get over it, hopefully. So it's happening. I'm so excited. I've already kind of made a banner. I need to take a profile picture today too. So your creator journey begins. That's so fun. Okay, I need to think of a description. Oh my god, I'm so like uncreative in a way. Okay, save and continue. This is so exciting. I'm so pumped. I'm gonna go ahead and try my banner out that I made if I saved it. And then I'm gonna have to take a profile picture eventually at some point today. I hate selfies. I'm not good at them. So we'll see how that goes. I really like that. I do. I can never tell if it's centered. I like that a lot. That looks good. So this is probably gonna be really boring for everybody. This video, I can't imagine this video is gonna get many views, but I really wanted like a starter video because I don't know, I just needed to start. I keep procrastinating this. I've been procrastinating this for years, to be honest. So I needed something to start, and I felt if I started something simple like this, then it would start to get me on the move. I've had quite a few channels in the past. When I was in middle school, I was uploading pretty consistently, but then I got scared. I was like, people are gonna find it, they're gonna think I'm weird, and so I kind of just gave up on that dream. I really wish I wouldn't have, but I did. One of my favorite things though is fitness and health. Those are I've recently, within the past 6 months, become really into that, and I want to incorporate that into my channel for sure. So I think I've gone as far as I can, but I will talk to you guys later.
Okay, goodbye for now.
Okay, excited because it is lunchtime. I am having a strawberry salad with a strawberry vinaigrette, which I made. Obviously strawberries, spinach, and pecans. Then I also have an egg. I have some cantaloupe. I also have an orange and some baby carrots. And then while I eat, I'm gonna work on the video, the footage I have so far, so I'm super excited. So I feel like a running theme in these types of videos is a to-do list. I always have a to-do list on my notes on my computer. I guess I can show you. I always have a to-do list going on, and like pretty much my whole week I plan out in my notes. Alright, so I have my list done. I'm gonna do my laundry first. So I'm gonna write 1 page. I'm gonna try to get as far as I can while the laundry is in the washing machine. Then once I put the laundry in the dryer, I think I'm gonna go clean my car. And then I think I will come back and try to write the rest of the paper. I just like to have like an order of things in my head. Okay, so I was able to write the first page, but I'm a page in and I have about not much to go, so that's really good. But so now I'm gonna go put my laundry in the dryer, and then I think we will go clean my car. Now I'm gonna try to finish this essay. Not looking forward to it, but I think I can do it. I finished my listening report, which I have been dreading all week, and I'm so excited to check that one off my list. Okay, so now I think my laundry's done, so I'm gonna fold that, then start working on my biology lab quiz. Yes! Okay, I completed my lab quiz. I think I did good. I don't know yet. Okay, so one of the last things on my list is to clean my room. This should take like 5 minutes. I just need to vacuum it and pick up a couple things. It's slightly messy. But it's not too bad. I usually keep it pretty good throughout the week, so. Alright guys, so now I finished cleaning my room. I feel so much better. Now I have one thing left on my to-do list, which is kind of optional. I need to take a profile picture for my channel. So I've got my tripod set up and we are gonna attempt that. I don't like selfies. I don't like taking pictures of myself. I'm just not that person. I don't really like pictures. So we're gonna see how this goes. I think I can figure it out, but I'm just not a big picture person. I don't know. This feels awkward. Okay, I took one I think I kind of like. So I'm gonna try to upload it. Oops. So much fun. Okay, I wonder. Okay, my channel is officially ready. That's exciting. So exciting. Anyway, I think that's where I'm gonna end the vlog for today because I have everything done and I want to get to editing so I can get ahead on the future videos because this one was just kind of a starter. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching my first video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed, if you're watching, if anybody's watching. guess we'll see if anybody's watching. But yeah, so I'll see you guys next Thursday. Bye.